Hi, in this video we are going to discussing about the great mathematician Ramanujan magic square. Ramanujan made this magic square by using his date of birth. So in this 4 by 4 magic square we can get the same total from any column or any row or from the diagonal direction also we will get the same total, that is 139, like 4 by 4 magic square. Okay, and we can also make our own magic square by using our date of birth also, then also we will get the same total from any row, from any column, and from in diagonal direction also. That is also we will discuss in this video. So actually there are two methods to create our own magic square, that is one is using one formula and the second one is one pattern method. So through using these two methods we can also create our own magic square. So in this square we are observing that we are getting the same total from the columns and same total through the rows, and also in the diagonal directions also we are getting the same total. And not only columns, squares and in diagonal direction, but also the squares present in this magic square, that is first this one 22, 12 and 88 and 17, that sum will also be 139. Again another square 10, 24, 19 and 86, that sum will also be 139. Another square 18, 87, 9 and 25. These four sums, these sum of these four numbers will also be 139, and again another square sum will also be 139, and the inner square or the middle square present in this magic square, that sum will also be 139. Again one more, the corners that is present in the external squares, only when we are taking the corners, that is 22, 87, 19 and 11, that sum will also be 139. And the side, that is left side 2 boxes, middle 2 boxes and right side middle 2 boxes, that sum will also be 139. And also upside and lower side or downside, that middle boxes sum, that means upside 2 middle boxes and downside 2 middle boxes, so that sum will also be 139. Now we will discussing about the formula here. First of all we are taking the date of birth. So first date, the date will be considered as D and month is taken as M, and year we are dividing the year into two parts. The first digit, 2 digits taken as y1, and the second 2 digits of the year we will take as y2. So D M y1 y2. So by using this one we will create a formula. First we will draw the 4 by 4 magic square. Then in the first column we will write dm y1 y2 as usual. In the second column y2 plus 1, and next y1 minus 1, m minus 3, d plus 3, and in the third column m minus 2, d plus 2, y2 plus 2, y1 minus 2, and in the fourth column y1 plus 1, y2 minus 1, d plus 1 and m minus 1. So this is the formula. Now we will create our own magic square by using this formula box. So first of all we are taking date of birth. For example, date of birth 5, 9, 900 and 1999. So here we are taking this date of birth for example. You can also paste this or copy this formula and you can create your own magic square. So first column date, month, y1 y2. So date is 5 and month m is 9 and y1 is first 2 digits of the year and y2 is second 2 digits of the year. Okay. Then y2 plus 1 in the second column, first box is y2 plus 1, here y2 is 90 plus 1 91, and second box is y1 minus 1. So 19 minus 1 obviously 18, and m minus 3, that is month minus 3 is 9 minus 3 is 6, and date plus 3. So 8. Again In the third column, m minus 2, month minus 2, 0, 7, and d plus 2, date plus 2, so 0, 7 again, and y2 plus 2, so 90 plus 2, 92, and in the fourth box, y1 minus 2, that is 19 minus 2 is 17, and in the fourth column, y1 plus 1, so 20, 19 plus 1, 20, and second box, y2 minus 2, so 90 minus 2, sorry, 1 is 89, and d plus 1, that is date plus 1, 05 plus 1 is 6, and m minus 1, that is 9 minus 1 is 8. So the magic square is over. Now we will calculate the total. Okay, so here the first column sum. In this magic square we are getting our own magic number. For Ramanujan sir magic square it is 139, and for our date of birth we will get our magic number, own magic number, by using our date of birth. Here I am taking the example 059-1990. So here the magic number is 123. So here we are checking out that from every column we are getting the same total 123, and from every row also we are getting the same total, that is 123, and in the diagonal direction also it will be 123. And if we check the inner square or the squares present in this magic square, that sum will also be 123, that is inner magic square or the corners of this magic square or the squares present in this magic square, like we saw in the Ramanujan sir magic square. Like this it will also will give the same total. I am adding it fastly because video won't be that much lengthy. So here we are getting the same total. As I said in the first, actually there is one more method to create our own magic square. In that method, just you have to follow one easy pattern. You don't have to remember the formula like this. So that is very easy. I will discuss about that one also. And before going to that, if we observe or we compare these two magic square, that is formula magic square and our date of birth magic square, here we are doing nothing. That means we are not adding anything or not subtracting anything. We are using a null factor. For example, if we observe the first column, plus 1 minus 1, so 0, and again minus 3 plus 3, 0. In this third column also, minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 minus 2. What we are doing? Plus minus 0. And from the, if we observe through the rows also, we are doing nothing. Of course we are doing additions and subtractions, but here if we are adding plus 2, again we are doing minus 2 also. So here the factor is null factor. In any direction that happening is same, from any column or row or diagonal direction we are doing the plus and minus. But why we are doing is we can observe more numbers in this formula method. Okay, for example, if you are taking the date of birth that has 4 numbers, but by adding these plus 2 minus 2 or plus 3 we can have more numbers, more than these 4 numbers in this magic square. And we have another method, that is pattern method. Pattern method is also same, but we are having in this pattern methods we are having the same numbers of our date of birth. For example, I take the date of birth 5/9/1990. So first column same. For second column I am writing last 2 boxes as second columns first 2 boxes in backward direction, and first 2 boxes numbers in backward direction I am taking as last 2 boxes. For third column I am taking the last 2 boxes as usual, 2 as the first 2 boxes of third column, and the first 2 boxes into the third column, last 2 boxes same direction. And for the last column I am writing the first column last 2 boxes as for last 2 boxes of the fourth column. I am saying it little fast because video won't be that much lengthy, and you can pause the video and you can check the pattern. And the pattern method is easy when compared to the formula method, because in this formula method we have to remember the formula. but here in this formula method we are getting the different numbers. If we are observing in this method, formula method, we are getting the same numbers other numbers than the date of birth numbers, but in this pattern method we are getting the same numbers that which are present in the date of birth. Okay, and we are in any method we are getting the same total, that is our magical number. So for 5, 9, 1900 and 1990, the magical number is 123 through any direction, that is from the columns or from the rows, and diagonal directions, or if we calculate the squares that is present in the magic square, we are getting the same magical numbers, that is 123. And if you like the video, please do like the video and subscribe our channel Krishna's Diaries. Thank you for watching.